robs the jewelry store and tells them to make me a grill. Smooth bacon is killing you. Slowly at first, then fast, and then you're dead.
Torture, full of torture, as I sit in the waiting room. I think and I realize that my grills are coming out soon. Yeah, torture, torture. My identity is lost. All I had is grills.
Is it safe?
And
Is it safe?
some trees with moss.
Is it safe?
No, I didn't know. I am sitting in that chair. He puts a needle in my arm, and I feel the drugs all the way to my hair. I have no soul, no soul, no more. It left me high and dry, and it didn't even say goodbye. Torture. All I feel is torture. My grills are in the grave. What do